Hi everyone, today we are going to try to remove the upper layer of the sound, absorbing cotton of FOX65, to see what changes will happen to its sound. The switch used in this test is a Namidango switch, which is a very smooth linear switch that is very comfortable to use. Next, let's listen to the sound before the silencer cotton is removed. In addition, the appearance of FOX65 is also very high end with a smooth, streamlined bottom, smooth and beautiful. The stainless steel weighted strip at the bottom is also very delicate. Okay, now let's take out the noise reducing cotton. The process is not complicated. After removing the sound, absorbing cotton, the next step is to install all other items. The appearance and sound of this switch match each other. Handsome guys and beautiful girls who it can try it. Okay, after removing the mute cotton, let's listen to the changes in the sound. Can it attract your attention? It is also worth mentioning that the LED lighting effect of the FOX65 keyboard is also very good. Let us experience it together.
Chosfox.